love it when I turn off the bass.
Were found scattered.
I got the wrong build on. They don't have a cook though, so I can get this game over pretty quick.
What? What's that? I know what this is. It might work on those doors. Yes. Oh, thank you. This will help.
This looks promising.
Ba-dum. Now, do I get the god spawn
Got it.
right behind me?
What's this?
Too loud. Got this.
Come on, let's get out of here. Trying to find my footprints. Can I make it out of here before Johnny? Come on, baby.
Okay.
Quick, fast, and then Harry. We're out of here. Yep, might as well too. Sorry, Johnny.
I gotta get some help.
Right side generator, and then the secret door is open.
They do gotta cook though.
Yeah.
They're gonna be locking down gas stations.
Before cook's even set up, we should be up that ladder, damn near gone.
Alright,
What is
I'm
going
making my way there
on?
now.
Oh, they spawned me all the way so far, so. Sorry, Bubba. I gotta run by you real quick, my boy. I don't like this part.
Oh shit.
Well, somebody was spamming something. Now,
Might be
Sissy
me.
can come down here.
I got the buff on me. If it helps at all.
What's that? Yes. Oh, thank you. Got it.
Did you just turn his chink off or did he just go away? No.
Nah. He's chasing Anna.
I'm about to get shed door open.
There's a killer dumb close somewhere. There ain't no way. Sissy, you're up here?
Just
Fucking weird, man.
That poison's kind of annoying. I mean, my cat.
Man, Cook's
Yeah,
already set up the trap.
they're gonna.
she's just poisoning the shit out of me. Oh, it didn't work that well on this one. Except the fact that Cook's over here. I might be dead here, actually. I have to well, and I'm probably gonna die.
Still try to let her play. Wait on this poison to disappear.
This should help stop the bleeding. I think.
I let the
Alright.
car hide place, bro.
I
Wow,
got one cook clock off of container.
This
I'm
might
working on
lead to the
getting the
others.
second one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, pump is over by a mechanic shop. Sissy's
it's
feeding
by
Grandpa
car.
right now. Cook is by Grandpa in the middle as well.
Dude, we might be fucked here.
No.
If fuse box and
What?
valve are right next to each other,
Man, never mind.
what?
Come on. Come on.
Ain't no way
Gotta
that
find
fucking
something I
idiot,
can
bro.
use.
Come on.
Oh, he's feeding him again, bro.
Yeah, Cook is on that ladder. I don't know how.
No, he's on
fucking-
Grandpa.
Please unsee me, please.
They on that ladder.
Where's Sissy at?
Sissy's chasing me right now exterior near car bridge with Cook. I'm gonna probably well.
Fuck you, bitch.
Yeah, I'm gonna well. Oh shit, Bubba might get me here. Yep. Fuck.
All right.
Left
This
side
man is in the
battery's
right place
done.
at the right time every time. Which side?
Left side battery. Sissy's back here, but you know how that goes.
Yeah,
Too loud. Too loud.
I'll use a choose light. Why am I not? Okay, I was about to say, my boy.
Perfect.
I'm poison.
I'm gonna try to come up behind you and get that gate.
Y'all are doing battery, you said?
I mean, we got it here, but
She's still chasing you?
oh yeah.
Alright.
Bubba's here now.
And on my life, I'm going generator.
I'm back down basement. Pretty
Is he on a
sure
bridge?
I don't have any.
Bitch.
She's just going back to the house.
Bro, this shit's always locked.
The other face is leaving battery. Cook is listening. Cook has got an umbrella. That's perfect time for me to get up out of here.
Hey, what's open? What's open?
Yeah, I'm on the way to unlock battery exit gate. Just gotta turn battery off.
Okay. Let's see where this goes.
Let me get to this health. Give me. Got it.
I think this is what we use back home. This should help.
They're coming
Alright,
back
let's
towards
go
the
generator
battery.
right door.
I think.
Generator right door.
Generator right door?
Yeah, next to the
I don't
chicken.
know what
I
this
already
is.
got a padlock
It
off.
might work on those doors. This might fit in the door.
Who's over there with you?
Wait for me.
Yeah, Leatherface and Sissy over here.
Alright, good.
Good, good.
Cook's here. Cook's here with me.
I can barge him. Or distract him or whatever while you run that.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going.
He just welled, so
Leatherface and Sissy are still over at battery. And the gate's open. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
generator should have been.
I thought you said you were gonna barge him. And there's nothing done over here. What's going on?
No, the padlock's off, dude. Yeah, I didn't see him.
Oh, he put a new padlock.
Actually, that's crazy.
Wait, I thought you can't do that anymore.
That's absolutely insane. Oh, I might be dead. No, I'm recovering. I'm good. Well, I'm not good. They're gonna come for me.
Sissy's,
Yeah, I saw him take
Sissy's
off
making
that
more
padlock.
poison.
That's not fair, dude. That shit. The padlock was definitely off, dude.
Yeah, I saw it too. I saw the padlock being off.
Is she?
Fucked.
Oh,
She's
she's over at battery.
battery bridge, yeah.
Damn.
She's getting blood.
She probably just gonna camp that area.
Y'all trying to run fuse box or something?
Fuse box is outside the grandpa shed. That's
Oh,
why
never
it's
mind.
kind of a shit position.
Yeah.
That
I'm
and
gonna do
Valve.
valve, bro. I'm doing valve. Fuck it.
Sissy's out by car battery.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna do valve to create a distraction at least. Leatherface is coming to battery. He may see you.
Nah.
Cook is speaking, Grandpa. He's listening.
I'm getting a generator left door now. There's a padlock on it though. So need me to lock it.
Both are coming to pressure valve. Cook and Leatherface. Sissy looks like she's beeline into it as well. She poisoned
Cook, turn it
gate.
off.
What car was the battery on? This one?
Yeah.
It's on the worst one. Fuck it, I'm going for it. I don't care.
Bubba's over here at mechanic shop still.
Halfway.
I have a barge and a
Push.
money Connie, so you're good.
Come on, battery gate, it's done.
Yeah, hang on. May not make it.
I'm gonna let that shit better be open. It's open, it's open. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you! Oh, you're the best, Connie. You're the best.
Please, help
I'm
us.
so low.
Gotta find help.
See what my boy
I'll be able to
got.
get out.
The Sissy for sure. Do you see? No, never mind.
No, no, no. Let's go! You're out there, you're out there, you're out there, you're out there. Yeah! Yeah!
Please, help me.
GG.
Shit.
GG. Oh, where am I? My game.